If you have a concrete reason why you are starting the business, you will stay in the business.
In Nigeria, it's already tough to build one successful business. But what if I told you there's someone who's built not one, not two, but several ventures all from scratch?
Have a concrete reason that would not fail, because you are going to be encountered with a lot of storms. Just have a strong why. If your why is strong enough, every challenge that comes in the business, your why has already defeated it. So you stand. All these, we made them here.
Today, I'm sitting down with Samuel Okposio, a serial entrepreneur who has turned his ideas into multiple profitable businesses. In this video, he shares his mindset, the struggles, and the secrets behind running so many ventures at once. If you ever dreamed of starting your own business or curious about how to juggle multiple hustles successfully, then this is one interview you don't want to miss out.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Simon Arome Films here again, and today I'm bringing you a wonderful video. Today we are Simplicity Group and we are here with the MD, Mr. Samuel Okposio. It's nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Quick one, can you introduce yourself and tell us how all of this started?
My name is Samuel Okposio, as he rightly said. Simplicity Group started out of necessity, out of the fact that I was broke. I had a lot of responsibilities I needed to sort out. As a man, I just needed to do something to get out of a lot of mess I was in. I'm a software developer. I graduated, I read computer science. Now I started with computer engineering. Then my school was accredited for computer science. Then I did computer science after that. School was challenging. As we all know, people, you don't have sponsors, your parents are not really doing So I found a way to take myself through that. And graduation, I came back. I was working with a federal organization on contract, and the contract was terminated. After it was terminated, I went for service. 2015, I came back. Now, in 2014, I was like, just do something. So, as a software developer, I was writing out proposals. I was telling people, okay, I can do this, I can do this. But I was just everywhere. And the name Simplicity came that 2014. And from then, every project I run, I attach simplicity to it. And search for event management companies in Jos. You see Simplicity event. That's telling me I handled some events, decoration and all that. At some point, Simplicity was about event management. There was a time that Simplicity was doing media and all that.
All as a computer scientist?
Yes. So it was all about whatever comes, we handle. But I just found a way to add simplicity to it. Then the business was not registered. I never thought it was going to be this big. We were not registered. It was just a one-man show. Towards 2016, I found out my girlfriend then got pregnant. I had no money. There was no way I could cater for everything that was going on then. And my mom was like, since this thing can work, you are now old enough to take the fatherly responsibility. So I was left alone. That made me go extra mile to sort things out. I had a child coming. My rent expired within the same time, and I was not having a job per se. So the challenges pushed me to start setting structures for simplicity as at then. I started setting structures. I can remember my girlfriend's younger sister sent me a stinker in a mail. I still have that mail up to today. Whenever I feel like giving up, I go back to read the email and just push myself out. And I can remember that day on the 8th of November 2016, I woke up that morning. I started trekking from my house. Then I was staying around Abattoir. I was squatting with a friend. I started trekking from Abattoir down the University of Jos main camp.
Wow, that's quite a long distance.
Yeah, I was trekking. I had a notebook. I still have that notebook till date. I was writing down names of businesses, their phone numbers. I was writing them down. The next day, I trekked from the same abattoir to Miadiko. I was doing the same thing. But I came back. There's a friend of mine. His name is Femi. He currently is the key distributor of First Eagle Electronic in the whole of northern Nigeria. He's in Jos. So he borrowed me 2,000 naira. 10,000 naira to eat. I used 1K to buy airtime. I started calling those phone numbers. Hello, my name is Samuel Okposio. I'm a graduate of this. I notice your business is not having good branding. Your signboard is not designed well. I was just putting myself out there. I was offering to build websites for them. I was offering to do mobile apps based on the peculiarity of the business. Based on what I wrote down. If I see your signboard is somehow, I would offer to redesign.
That's a lot of research. You're doing all those things.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I was doing that. I called 208 phone numbers, and some did not pick, some did not respond, some outrightly called me a scammer, but like 4 of them responded. And one is this designer's choice. Then they were in Rampam. They were one of my first clients, and they gave me the opportunity.
Now Shop City, I guess.
Yeah, yes. Shop City. Now they gave me the opportunity to build their POS software for them, which I did. That's what they currently use, and I worked with them for like a year plus. After building the software, I was teaching the staff how to use it, how to add items, inventory and all that. So that was like one of my first clients then. And this Dachu Musa Bagos, his campaign organization, one of the campaign's DG, as at then, was one of the persons I contacted in my whole contact. And they gave me the opportunity to send bulk SMS close to the election, like to vote for him, and he actually won. And I was able to upsell that time. I was like, instead of just sending just SMSs, there are people in the village that don't have access to phone. We should do something that they can actually relate with. And we were able to get, there's this thing Hausa people call matankadi. It's like tray, but it's locally made. We were able to brand it, and we sent them out. So that was how I started basically. And simplicity, just after that, we now found a way to focus on just one thing, which was the IT part. Software development. We're building softwares for people, they pay, we build. As then it was just me. I was the graphic designer, I was the content creator, I was the everything. Yeah. At some point, I didn't have a laptop, so I contacted, just in my whole research too, one of the phone numbers I met, I called, he said he wants to build a website for his business or a mobile app for his business, but he can't afford it. And I was like, okay, these Achiever computers, now they call them Core Insight in Rampam Street. I was like, okay, I don't have a good laptop that would do this. Give me a brand new laptop and I'll build a mobile app for you. That was the arrangement we did, and we sealed the deal. He gave me a brand new laptop.
You got a laptop for the design you did?
Yes, I did the mobile app and all that. And then I was the graphic designer, I was the motion designer, I was the everything. And the company kept progressing, and we grew from building softwares just for people to building softwares for ourselves that people can sell or subscribe to. Okay, so this is the salon.
Okay.
Yeah. This.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
This is the salon. They do pedicure. Basically, you see,
nice space here.
See as the salon is scattered because. But this is the salon actually, and they do nails there. There's the barbing part of the salon. Yeah.
Okay.
For the guys.
Amazing.
Yeah, and they wash the hair there and all that. So basically, this is the salon.
Okay. See, this is the spa?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the spa. This is the waiting area for the spa.
Okay.
This part is the spa entirely. And in Jos, we are like the only people that have a sauna room, like a functional sauna room.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, that's amazing. I see.
We have a thermometer, and so this is the spa. All this is the spa. Conference room.
Okay.
We have meetings there and all. This is the gym.
Wow.
This is the gym. So we did the gym here so that whenever anybody is passing, you see people.
Working out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the space we use for aerobics down here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I saw a video you posted.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
All these were made downstairs.
Oh,
all
amazing.
these, they are
This
yet,
looks very premium,
Yeah.
I must say.
they are yet
I
to
must
fix
pray.
the legs here.
Yeah.
All these, we made them here. I saw this design.
You sell all of this
Yes.
from here?
Yes. I saw this design when I traveled to the US. So we looked for this fabric to make sure we replicate it. And so all this, everything, wood, the wardrobe, all we made them. This kitchen cabinet, this was made here. Yeah.
Wow.
This.
Guys, look at this. It looks so premium.
Yes.
I'm not just saying it for a hype, but it looks so premium.
All this,
Wow.
all this. So one thing I'm keen about is the neatness. You see the neatness of the sewing and all. I just make sure I monitor everything that is going on. So all this, they made them here. This, the bed, everything. Today they will be fixing the legs for this, then we'll display them.
I like how you pay attention to details.
Yeah.
Yeah, it shows.
These are fashion.
Hi, good
show.
afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
This is one of our biggest customer here. This woman.
Hi, good afternoon.
This is their manager.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
So all these were made here.
Okay.
All this.
Good afternoon.
So if you check the finishing of the clothes, you
Yeah.
see it's not.
Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. Well, this looks so good too. Let me show you. This is yours. Oh, wow. Amazing. This will look good on you, by the way. Yeah. How's it been patronizing this them?
Wonderful.
Oh,
I'm enjoying their services. I just came back from Abuja and
that's nice.
I advertised their.
Product. It's worth it.
It is.
Alright. Thank
so
you.
I'm bringing more customers.
You should. You should.
You know, the company has an NGO, Simplicity Foundation, and we are currently running a training called Skill Up Plateau.
Okay.
So some of these are students of Skill Up Plateau. They'll be trained for 6 months. The furniture aspect, we have them. This is the fashion, the salon. Some of those people you saw in the salon are also students that are learning. So we have the industrial machines, weaving. I don't know the names of the machine, but we have, that's the monogram machine that does all this embroidery, agbada designs and all that.
Okay.
That's the machine. Let's go that way. This machine does these agbada designs and all. This machine that does all that. All these are other industrial machines. This guy is one of their instructors and one of our fashion designers.
This was made here.
Yeah, everything you
Guys,
see.
look at this. Guys, I should get one of these. It looks so good. I'll come back for it.
We pay attention to the neatness. If you check the finishing, you will not see.
Yes, I could tell. I could tell.
It's neat.
Finally, for a young African or a young Nigerian watching this and who want to go into business per se, like we have a lot of business, I'll just say business in general. So what would be your advice to them?
Have a concrete reason that would not fail, because you are going to be encountered with a lot of storm. Is the reason for going into that business, would it withstand mockery? Just have a strong why. If your why is strong enough, every challenge that comes in the business, your why has already defeated it. So you stand, because the storm will come. If you have a concrete reason why you are starting the business, you will stay in the business. There was the time I was dragged on Facebook because of 20,000 naira. I borrowed, I could not pay, and I was dragged. But I was still in business. I was dragged online. I was called a scammer. I was called different names. But I knew the reason why I started the business. I would not just let my business die because at that time people were calling me names. Because the reason why I started the business is stronger than the names they are calling me. So as a young person, before you start, get a reason to start. If you have a very good reason to start, all the storms that come, you shield them.
So guys, you heard from the horse's mouth himself. If you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'll drop details to Simplicity Group in the description and also on the screen, so you can come here and enjoy yourself. But basically, I'll say, so guys, I'll see you in the next video, and we'll be visiting
Same farms.
So watch out for the next video. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.